Hello and welcome to this series on how I started my garden as a first-time gardener with no experience whatsoever. My name is Tope, and in this series I'll be showing you how I started my garden from a blank canvas. I started it from nothing, soon nothing grew. There was some lifting and bending, watering, assisted reproduction, jumping and dancing, and wins. But there were also losses, a few lessons learned. The season ended and overall I have lessons to share with you. I'm excited to share my experience as a first-time gardener, and I hope you learn from this series. I started my peppers from the seed of store-bought peppers, and this is what it should look like if it goes well. The first one I did didn't go well, and this is what that looks like. I started my tomatoes from a seed pack, and that turned out really well. The germination rate was really good. I used a grow light to help my young plants, and now from here on you're going to be hearing my actual voice as I filmed all the videos and clips. Quick garden updates that nobody asked me for, but I'm sharing anyways. So I separated the plants, the young plants. Before I had like maybe 3 in a cup, cup, and yeah, I had more than one, but then now I have one. These are tatashe bell peppers, 3 bell peppers. I'm going to put 3 in my raised bed when I have that. These are tomatoes. This is Roma tomatoes. These three are also tomatoes, but a different species, moneymaker tomato. And these 3 are Rodo scotch scotch bonnet peppers. So these are my plants. These are the potatoes. As you can see, they're growing like big boys. These are tomatoes. These ones are growing the most. And then I've got this one here, tomatoes, everything there. And then these ones are the tatashe. They kind of became stunted, but then now they are growing again. At least new leaves are coming out. So there's tatashe, and then this is Rodo. It was also stunted. I didn't think it would make it, but then it's growing again, which is good. Yeah, my strawberries are here, and they're growing what you call runners. I can cut off here and then essentially get a new plant. So there's one flower there that will become a strawberry. These are some of the ones that I removed before. I shouldn't have removed them. And then I've got another batch of strawberries here. I should actually cut off these guys because they suck energy from the plant. Yeah, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. Oh, okay, yeah. I've got these ones here. So the one is kale, one is spinach. I don't remember which is which. I didn't label them, but when they grow, I'll know. So I planted the seeds last week, and then these ones are coming up. Nothing is coming up here yet, but we shall see. And that's the garden update for now. I ordered a bed, a raised bed that will go in that corner, and then all these guys will go inside there. I ordered my raised bed from a company called Linkaboard, and I set it up with the help of my friend. If you like to see how we set up the raised bed and how I feel the bed itself, then click the link above to watch a video on how we did so. I'm just feeling around the potato that has grown so that when the tubers start growing, it won't be exposed to the sun. And yeah, it's amazing. I remember where this was like last week. And it's grown into this huge tall thing here. It's so difficult doing this with one hand. I don't know who sent me to do a tutorial, but yeah, you get it. You get it. So this is compost and fish blood and bone. I put my plants in here just to get a sense of how I was going to arrange them. This guy is supposed to be here. But yeah, the idea is 3 per row. And I was going to give up on the scotch bonnet and tatashes, but they're actually coming up, and we'll see if I'll get any fruits this season. Tomatoes are doing well. This morning when I was watering them, I thought about, because bed is quite there, I didn't want to bend over, and I was using a narrow watering can, and I didn't want to get water on the leaves, so I rose them and then watered, and I found out that a few of them were already growing roots. It's not obvious now, but yeah, you can see some of the roots in there. Like this guy too was growing, see, growing a lot. So yeah, I guess somehow it's just trying to expand. But I'm going to fill this bed and put them in their permanent homes, for real, for real. Even these guys, the scotch bonnets, they were extending. I'm so excited. These guys, I nearly gave up on them. Let's see how much growth in just like a week or a few days or something. But yeah, exciting. I bought my compost in 2 batches, and then this is me just filling in the bed with the rest of the compost and topsoil, and yeah, everything else that I put. Again, if you want to see what I put in there, if you want to see how I built a raised bed, then click the link above. I'm going to snip off the leaves, the lowest leaves on all the tomato plants, and yeah, just so I help them to not get blight. Yeah, and then try to plant quite deep, maybe about there. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do the same for peppers. I think I'll just do it. Yeah, I think I will. My back is killing me. Everything is now in the ground. I'm still going to plant basil just so it acts as a repellent for insects and pests that feed on tomatoes and peppers. And yeah, I think I put them there and then one somewhere in the middle. I plan to get two. But yeah, I'm going to stick the tomatoes and then water. I got these steak wood. They are untreated, so yeah, no chemicals and rubbish going into my food. And then I'm using these that I got from Amazon. I don't remember where I got that from, but I had to search and search for wood that wasn't treated. Yeah, so I'm done sick. So because I have indeterminate tomatoes, which means that the tomatoes grow in any which way, they don't have a specific size and shape that they grow into. I kind of have to stake them. As you can see, this guy is already just sprawling on the floor. This one too is just trying to grow on the floor. But then by staking them, you lift them up the ground and help them to survive the whole season without getting diseases. Yeah, so see, this guy too is going on the floor. I think those are, I'm not quite sure actually, because I have two species of tomato, but I don't remember which is which. But we're gonna stick them. I'm done staking. My back is killing me, and so I'm just going to water now. I have some grass from when we mowed the lawn. I'm just going to use that to mulch. Just put about an inch, half an inch. I didn't have enough grass to cover the raised bed, but this is what I have now. As we cut our grass I'll add more to cover that side. But yeah, that's it for today. I'm so tired. There's no way I'm doing the strawberry thing today. I'll do that tomorrow. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not sure, my channel, posting hair videos and sprinkle of lifestyle, this would be, but I don't know how people would react when they just see me in the garden posting videos of plants. But yeah, it's part of my lifestyle and I enjoy it, and I'm a new gardener. Just trying to grow some organic fruits and vegetables by myself, and it can be stressful but it's also very enjoyable. Like today was a lot, but on a normal day, once you get through the heavy parts, it's really enjoyable. Anyways, I feel like I'm probably rambling now. I'm so tired. I'm going to eat, rest, and yeah, I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye.